Hello everyone. So welcome to all of you in my full master course on Wondershare Filmora 14 video editing. So in this particular lecture I will teach you about planar tracker in Filmora 14. So first of all you should know that what is planar tracker. So let me show you with the help of example. So first of all let's go on stock media and let's select any random clip, drag it to our timeline. So this is random video. Okay, so now let's talk about planar tracker. So with the help of planar tracker you can track anything. You can track his face, you can track his hand movements, you can track his mobile device. Okay, and after tracking anything in video you can add or attach any file with it. Okay, so with the help of planar tracker you can add emoji or any other image in entire video. So for that, just what you have to do, you have to track anything. Okay, suppose I have to add any image in this mobile region. So for that, what you have to do, I have to track mobile screen. Okay, so in order to use this feature, what you have to do, you have to double click on your video. You have to double click here, just double click here, and then you will see this tab. So inside video you have to go on AI tools. So inside video you have to go on AI tools. Okay, so inside AI tools you have to scroll down and you will see planar tracking. So first of all you have to enable it and make sure that your video is selected successfully. Okay, now it is enabled and you don't have to use auto because it is not accurate. You have to click on advanced. So let's click on advanced. Okay, now in screen you will see this small rectangle box. So what is it? With the help of this rectangle box, small box, you can specify your object or element which you have to track. Suppose I have to track the mobile screen, so I will adjust it with my mobile screen size. So you have to adjust it. It can take some time, but you have to adjust its size. So let's adjust. Okay, fine. You can do it manually in more effective way instead of auto. Okay, now this region have been selected successfully, but what do you have to do? I have to apply this particular screen in entire timeline. Okay, so for that I will click here. Now it will analyze whole scene. As you can see that it is tracking now mobile screen in entire video. So this is how you can track anything. You can track his face, you can track his finger, you can track his mobile phone, anything. This feature is very useful feature. You can use it for advertising or for anything else. Just you can track anything and you can upload any file with it. Now as you can see that this particular region is tracked successfully. Okay, now here you will see accuracy option. So currently we are in default mode. If you will click on it, so you can select low accuracy, high accuracy. So obviously if you will click on high, it will take lots amount of time, so make sure it is in default. But if your system is powerful. You can also go with high. Okay, and here you can see link elements. So currently none is selected, so let's select it. And you can add mosaic effect. I don't know how to pronunciate it. Let's import from computer, and let's add Batman image. So Batman image is successfully added. Okay, so now it is working fine. Now let's download any mobile image from the Google. Now let's try with different files. Okay, so again go on stock media and select random clips. Let's play this message. Let's select any random clips. Now let's this video. Okay, let's play this. Okay, now if we have to use planar tracker, so double click on it, go on planar tracker, and since it is green screen, so you can also use green screen method, but for demonstrate this particular feature I will use this particular screen. Let's click on advanced, and let's select the area which I have to track. You have to select it carefully. Select areas which you have to track. Right now I am selecting it very roughly because we don't have much time. Okay, but you can do it with effective manner. Okay, now let's select analyze. It will analyze entire video. Let's analyze it from the beginning. You have to click on track to backward and also track to forward. Track to backward and track to forward. This is track to backward. Okay, now let's click on track to forward. Now tracking process have been completed successfully. Now it's time to add element. So go on import computer and select image. Okay, so if you will do it accurately, output will look accurate. Okay, so this is how you can use planar tracker. Let's use any other thing. Okay, so fine, this is how you can use planar tracker in Filmora 14. So you can track and replace anything. So okay, bye bye. If you got this video helpful, then what you have to do, you have to give me a good positive rating and comment. Okay, bye bye.